behind me, you got some crew chiefs, you got 2 pilots, and they are very much the technical experts on that airframe, and they can tell you anything you want to know. So what we'd like to do is, depending on how much time you guys have, and be able to like go by, see the helicopter, you know, maybe even get inside possibly. But yeah, and ask some questions, and that's what we're here for. And we really appreciate all your guys' support on Veterans Day. It means a lot to us.
I know 2 veterans. Like, my father used to be a soldier like you were.
I'm learning that Veterans Day is you celebrate the veterans who are still living and who have died and in the Marines and retired.
Now you're flying.
We had a really cool assembly where veterans came and a helicopter landed, and we got to go inside it.
Ready? You need a hand? You got it.